Hey everyone, I'm Bam from social.plus. Welcome to May product updates. This month is a big one for sentiment analysis. We've rebuilt the dashboard, expanded coverage, and given admins much more control on how sentiment analysis is configured and applied. There's a lot to update this month, so let's take a look. The sentiment analysis dashboard has been fully redesigned. You can access it the same way as before. Just head to Sentiment Analysis under the Social module in the console. What you'll notice right away is how much cleaner and more intuitive the experience feels. At the top, you can set your date range and filter by community, and you'll see a summary of how many threads were analyzed along with your credit usage. The dashboard is organized into 3 tabs: Overview for your key metrics at a glance, Topic Analysis for a clear view into each topic, and Analyze Threads to go deeper into individual posts and comments. Sentiment analysis now covers all comments on a post. This is especially valuable for your highest engagement moments like product launches, viral posts, or active threads. Every comment is now analyzed so the sentiment data you're seeing is complete and accurate. You'll also notice confidence indicators alongside the results, giving you a better sense of how reliable each sentiment reading is. Now, while you're looking at your sentiment data, you can go a step further and filter results by custom user tags. This lets you understand sentiment patterns across different user segments, so instead of just seeing how your community feels overall, you can drill down into specific groups and compare how sentiment differs between them. The user tag filter works independently from the existing group filter, so your analysis stays focused and easy to read. Within sentiment analysis, admins can now set up sentiment analysis to match your specific business context. You can define your own categories and add keyword sets under each one. Just head to the settings icon, click Add Topic, and you can also remove topics anytime from there. You can now correct keyword-level sentiment misclassifications directly from the sentiment dashboard, giving your team a fast, self-serve way to handle edge cases like sarcasm, slang, or domain-specific language without relying on support tickets. Under the Analyze Thread tab, select any post and you'll see the topics and keywords detected along with their sentiment. If something isn't right, click Override AI Sentiment, choose the correct sentiment, and add an optional context note to explain the change. Overrides stay in effect until you remove them, and override indicators are always visible in your analytics so your team always has a clear picture of where human corrections have been applied. That's May, a significant step forward for sentiment analysis across the platform. More coverage, more control, and a much better experience for your team. If you have any questions or want to explore more of these updates, feel free to reach out to us or check the description down below for more details. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next month.